Hello friends, 3 days is all I drink this to achieve a flatter tummy. Like this is so effective. It boosts your gut health, boosts your metabolism, and activate your system to break down fat super fast. This is so intense. You want to do it on the weekend so you can see your results without having to poo-poo in people's houses. Like do it when you are at home and depending on your schedule. So very quickly I'll share with you more benefits, but the first thing you need is some pineapple. You need half a pineapple so you can get that bromelain out of it, which is a coenzyme that helps to boost your enzymes to break down, like to facilitate the metabolic process so you break down fat super fast. So this is the first ingredient. Now, the second ingredient you want to get is some apple, which is equally has pectin in it. Like these fruits contain those coenzymes your system needs to boost the metabolic rate by supporting your enzymes you already have in your system. They need to be boost. You need to boost them and have them boost that metabolic rate as well, so you can break down your fat super fast. I will not really go into some biological details, but that is how it works. When you boost your system, boost your metabolic rate, everything is speed up and you break down your fat really fast. So this is one apple you want to slice and set aside. Now, the next ingredient I add is some cucumber, which is very alkalizing. It helps to detoxify your organs, your system, form a disease fighting barrier in your system, and improve your immunity. When your system is active, you easily break down fat, get your body in shape, you are always healthy. So this is really very good for multi reasons. This is kind of a holistic treat you give your organs and your system. So you need half a cucumber. It helps your system to detox itself, as I mentioned earlier, and very good for this recipe. So half a cucumber you want to slice. The next thing you want to do is to get a blender. Go ahead and pour your ingredients in the blender, your cucumber, the apple, and half a pineapple. Put in the blender, and the next thing you want to do is to add in 2 cups of water. Add in 2 cups of water in the blender to have this blend onto smooth so we can get the juice out of this. So this is the base for this recipe. These fruits are mostly coenzymes. They are loaded with all the coenzymes you need to boost that metabolic process. Yeah, when you consume this, it really helps your organs to break down fats. That is how I will explain it to you, layman. Yeah, so it helps your organ to easily break down fats. When I talk of metabolism, it's like breaking down stuffs in your system, you know, and stuffs like bad things like waste, toxins, food you eat that your system cannot digest. You need your metabolism to be active to break that down for you so fast. And this is what this does to your system. So you want to squeeze out the juice from these ingredients, and this raw fish, get you one banana, add in this raw fish and eat as your breakfast smoothie. So don't throw that raw fish you got after squeezing your juice. And now the next thing you want to do to activate this recipe to be even more stronger is to get a lemon. Lemons equally help to boost your metabolic rate. They have all the citric acid your system needs to break down fats for you, supporting the fat burning process. And so squeeze out the juice from your one lemon. Now the next thing you want to add is some chia seeds. This is dietary fiber. It kind of trick your system or your tummy to feel like it is filled up, you're full, so you don't feel like eating too much. You don't feel like eating the wrong things, giving your system time now to break down fat for you super fast. So now the next thing you want to do is to add in a cup of water. So add in 1 cup of water in the chia seed to have it soaked. You need to soak this up so it is soft, crunchy in the mouth, but not hard. So soak it and set aside while you add in the lemon juice you squeezed. So add in the juice from one lemon you squeezed into the chia seed, and just leave it to soak up a little bit. So just stir to one consistency to get it to get the chia seeds kind of soaked up so it is not really hard in the mouth but crunchy. So this is some apple I sliced to garnish the drink with. I love garnishing my drinks with fruits so I can get all the benefits from the fruits again in their most natural form, potent, Now the next thing you want to do is to add in the chia seed, the soaked chia seed in the juice, and then you fill this up with water. So this is 2 liters. You want to do it in a 2 liter container because normally we drink 2 liters of water. That is what is recommended a day. So you're drinking this as water throughout the day, so it gets into your system, boost that metabolic rate, activate your system to break down fat for you really fast and effortlessly. So go ahead and serve this in your cup, drink throughout the day, and try to eat healthy. Please reduce the quantity of food you eat. If you used to eat a large portion of meal, you want to like split that meal in the middle and eat just half portion of it. So reduce your meal, drink this so your system can have time to break down fat rather than breaking down the food you eat. And watch how this will change your story. Watch how this will break down. This will help your system to break down the fats and get your body in shape. This is so potent. As I mentioned earlier, you want to drink this on the weekends, or if you work weekends, depending on your schedule, drink during weekdays, or yeah, just depending on when you're free at home, because this will do a lot of flushing for you, a lot of cleansing, and get your body all nice and in shape. So this is me, Risa. In case you don't know me, you look at my body, no fats, no excess fats. I just look healthy and vibrant. No belly fat, no arm fat, no fat on my body. This is how I do. This is how I boost my system to just remove every bad thing out for me without stressing, without exercising. Like, this is so easy. And you will have a beautiful looking body as well. You will glow from inside out. Plus, I make sure I drink a lot of water alongside doing this, because water helps too with the cleanse. Water helps your system with breaking down solutes in your system. Yeah, so you need solvent, which is water, to help you break down solutes, or before your organs can now use all the digestive juices to finalize you don't want to punish your intestines, yeah, or overwork your pancreas to be producing extra digestive juices. You just want to help your system. While your system is doing the work from the inside, try helping. Don't punish your organs. Drink water so you already like soften the food you eat before your intestines start breaking down the remaining for you with your digestive juices in your system already, and so drink lots and lots of water with this, and watch how this will change your life. So go ahead and try this, come back and tell me how you feel about it, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and bye.